Get ready to turn up the volume on your entertainment experience with the Edifier G2000 gaming speakers, the ultimate Edifier blend of technology and sound. As we dive into the heart of this review, we'll unravel the intricacies of the G2000's practical aspects, shedding light on its real-life performance, user-friendly design, standout features, advantages, and even a few nuances. The outer casing of the Edifier G2000 speaker boasts an elongated hexagonal shape, crafted from durable composite fiber. It presents a gentle 10-degree elevation, ensuring stability. At the base, 4 rubber pads secure its position. Turning to the back, a bass-enhancing port, a spacious light display, and 4 ports, dedicated to power, subwoofer connection, auxiliary input, and USB connectivity, complete the setup. The left and right speakers are perpetually linked via a robust 2-meter rubber cable. For augmented bass resonance, an external subwoofer can be added through the sub-out port. Compatibility is key, requiring a subwoofer with a matching RCA or 3.5mm input. A subwoofer that allows adjustment of the crossover frequency ensures seamless harmony between subwoofer and G2000 speakers, resulting in integrated bass. The G2000's physical dimensions measure 10.5 cm in depth, 13 cm in height, and 11 cm in width. Totaling 1.4 kilograms, the active speaker, powering through the adapter, weighs 706 grams, while the passive counterpart is 659 grams. Internally, an active-passive speaker driver configuration differs from specialized low or high-frequency drivers. In contrast, G2000's full-range 2.75-inch driver handles a wide spectrum, with a paper cone adorned by a rubber ring and a shield reflector for optimized sound projection. User interaction is effortless with 2 physical buttons and a tactile lever switch that spans 15 volume levels, each offering responsive feedback. The Edifier G2000's power output of 8 watts per speaker ensures undistorted continuous power, while the 32-watt peak power can tackle brief sound bursts. Though significant, power metrics don't paint the full audio quality picture. Speaker design, driver size, materials, and amplification collectively contribute to the auditory experience. The default sound signature showcases commanding bass, crystal-clear trebles, and a sweeping soundstage that immerses. These settings can be customized using onboard sound presets. The Edifier G2000 gaming speakers effectively receive audio data via USB from a personal computer, PC, and reproduce it. This convenient feature enables high-quality sound playback from your PC without additional cables. While the G2000 enhances gameplay, its performance isn't limited to gaming alone. The speakers intricately capture in-game nuances, enhancing immersion and swift response to sound cues. Movie playback gains vibrancy, bringing explosive scenes to life. RGB lighting is another offering, presenting dynamic color shifts or static hues among 12 RGB options, including off mode. Controlling RGB is intuitive, albeit turning it off requires cycling through modes. A prolonged RGB button press for instant deactivation would enhance user experience. The G2000's compact design, coupled with an isometric cavity, delivers premium sound within a small footprint. Wide compatibility extends to Bluetooth, USB, and 3.5mm O connections, accommodating various devices. Cable lengths are non-detachable, potentially limiting placement flexibility. Onboard sound presets elevate audio, though a band EQ app could offer further customization. The G2000's compact dimensions of 106 by 105 by 130 mm, combined with a hexagonal cabinet, maximize space and audio quality in equal measure.